Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shaloha Creations. Let me ask you a question. Do you like wood? When I say wood, I mean slabs of wood. The kind that you make furniture out of. Well, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to slab some wood on a sawmill that I built at the end of the summer of 2019. Unfortunately, I don't have video of that because I started YouTube shortly thereafter. So enjoy this video. Thank you for being here. Let's see how this piece turned out. So we'll get a little macromona action in here. Now you gotta water it down. See the wood grain. Okay, let's see if we can get the wood grain in here. See the transition from the English to the dark walnut. So this is the English up here. The dark walnut is actually back here, or the black walnut. It's going to be beautiful. And here's the cutoff piece. The thing about black walnut is, as it dries, it oxidizes a little bit, and so you get it becomes even darker. It's really cool, that little transition right there from where the graft was, like that. Very cool. Alright, once again, another beautiful slab. See all the termite damage. Like, there's a little bugger right there. Bastard. Eating my wood. Wow, the backside of the slab is pretty amazing. That's beautiful. See, we can see this one here too. Not sure if you can tell, but this piece, you can already see how it's gotten darker since it's been in the air and has oxidized a little bit. And it'll continue to do that as the air hits it and as it dries. It's beautiful. There it is. See where we end up with it. This is kind of where it came near the root ball. So you get this figured grain structure. Both of them. It's pretty. There's a transition to the English. A little spalding from water intrusion. Gorgeous. So there it is, all stacked up, ready to dry out, and hopefully I'll be using this for furniture in the next year or so. Very happy with pieces that I saw in here, and I've got several more that I've got to do, and maybe I'll do future videos on that as well. But I appreciate if you've made it this far, and if you like these videos, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. It means a lot to me, and for those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And what else is there other than Shaloha?